Hey guys, what's up? So this video, as you can tell by the title, is a quick update to the PC giveaway, just to kind of weed out and get down to who actually wants to try to win. So basically, instead of just doing one video, pick from that, random, here's how I'm going to do it. Basically, yes, that you still have the entry from commenting on today's video, but there are ways to get more entries. The way to get more entries is also, if you saw in the description, I put some videos that you can watch and comment on for entries. I'm going to do something like that, except it's going to be a little different. Hidden in every single video from now until 5,000 subscribers, when I'm not going to announce the winner. First of all, I'm not going to announce the winner unless they want me to. I will reply to their comment and then give the communications, and they'll probably let me, because people seem to not care, but it's just for reasons like harassment and all that stuff. Some people just tend to harass people just for winning. It's really sad, but whatever. Just in that case, because I could actually get in trouble if someone gets harassed for winning a giveaway. But that's the point. And also, yes, it's international, obviously. Because if I don't say it's not, then it is. But basically, hidden in every single one of my videos from now, including this one, till 5,000 subscribers, at any point in the video. So you can't just skip to the end or wait at the beginning. And hidden in every single video at any given point, either on the screen will appear a word to say in the comments, something to do in the comments, something like that. It'll usually be something to say in the comments, or I'll say it in the video. Most oftentimes it'll probably be letters, because that's easier to add in later if I forget to do it while recording the video. So basically, in every video from now until 5,000 subs, there will be something hidden. So anyone who actually wants to, you still have a chance even with one entry from just commenting on this video and the other two. But if you want to have a better chance, watching my future videos will actually help. And yes, I'm going to tell you guys the truth. It is so I get more views. To be completely honest, I'm giving away a computer. I want to get views. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm doing this for views. Now, does that make it horrible? I don't think so. I'm still doing it. It wouldn't make it horrible if I wasn't doing it, but I'm doing it. I would like to get views for it. It's kind of a trade. That's kind of like the money. It's the thing. I don't actually make money on YouTube. For anyone that thinks I does, I've answered this 1,000 times. I do not make money on YouTube. They don't pay me. They will never pay me, most likely. So I do need to gain subs and actually get more views, so that, because to get sponsorships, some companies have you have to average 1,000 views per video, stuff like that. So I'm trying to get sponsorships in the future. So I'm going to try to get more views. So hidden in every video until 5,000 subs will be something to comment, a specific word, a specific phrase for you to comment in the description. And that's really it. Obviously, people are probably going to cheat this, but I don't really care. Guys, here's what you should do. You guys should totally, pretend you know the word in the comments, and if someone copies you, I'll know they're cheating and disqualify them. Just saying what you could do, so that no one cheats and says the word, but whatever. I would suggest actually watching the videos, because some of them have extra words and stuff like that, and things that you shouldn't say, and etc., etc. Just trust me, you'll see. If you watch the videos in the future, you will see there will be stuff hidden in the videos, and the people who find them, you comment them below and you will get it. Yes, obviously people are going to cheat, but that's what people do. That's besides the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.